During World War II, as men left for battlefields across the world, the women of America stepped forward to take on roles that would redefine their place in society. They were not just filling the gaps left behind, they were proving that strength, resilience, and determination knew no gender. In the factories, women became the driving force behind America's war machinery. They built planes, tanks, ships, and ammunition. Their hands crafted the weapons that would help secure victory. Rosie the Riveter became their symbol, but the real women behind her were more than an image. They were the backbone of the war effort. Beyond the factories, women took to the skies as pilots in the Women Air Force Service Pilots (WASP) program. They flew aircraft, transported supplies, and tested planes, jobs that had always been reserved for men. These women knew they were risking their lives, yet they soared fearlessly, proving that they were just as capable in the cockpit as any man. While some flew, others cracked codes in secret rooms. The code girls worked tirelessly, deciphering enemy messages that would turn the tide of war. Their intelligence work saved thousands of lives, yet for decades their contributions remained hidden from history. On the front lines, women served as nurses, enduring unimaginable conditions to care for wounded soldiers. They worked through air raids, bombings, and the horrors of war, offering comfort to those who had lost everything. Their hands stopped bleeding, their voices soothed pain, and their presence gave hope to the hopeless. Even far from the battlefields, women fought another war, the war of keeping families together. Mothers raised their children alone, wives managed households without knowing if their husbands would return, and sisters worked tirelessly to support their families. They rationed food, conserved resources, and carried the weight of an entire nation on their shoulders. Yet, when the war ended, many expected them to simply return to their old lives. But how could they? They had built planes, cracked codes, saved lives, and flown across the skies. They had proven their worth, their strength, and their courage. The women of World War II were not just supporting the war effort, they were shaping the future. They fought battles of their own, battles against doubt, against limitations, against a world that had once told them their place was only in the home. And they won. Their sacrifices, their courage, and their determination laid the foundation for generations to come. They were not just daughters, wives, or mothers. They were warriors, leaders, pioneers, and they will never be forgotten.